you have to understand that the level of your income will not exceed the level of your personal development. Paano mo i-develop yung sarili mo? Ano yung, let's say, you want a 100,000 income per month, you ask yourself, am I skilled enough? Am I that valuable enough to earn 100,000? So by answering this, you have to be truthful about yourself. Let's say you answer yes, Adrian, I'm capable naman eh. Then you should already earning that income. If you answer it truthfully, then it's a matter of time bago mo ma-earn yung income niya. Okay, pero if you're honest enough at talagang sabi mo ay no, then congratulations kasi you're already one step closer on earning and increasing your income. The next question you have to ask is, ano ba yung 3 things that's holding me back? Maybe, let's say, yung mindset mo about money, you have a negative relationship